That tornado's down and running right there. We seen it come down to the ground. Now it's bounced up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, we seen it. We seen some debris in the air, and then we seen the tornado come down. So somebody's getting. Oh yeah, see it? See it there? Oh my. Yeah, we seen the debris, and then we seen the cloud go down. Now it's kind of bounced back up again, but somebody is getting nailed over there by between Burlington and Galveston. Heading towards Galveston. What? Well, you can see it right there. Yeah, there's some right there sprouting, or whatever you call them, forming. Yeah, this is just north of Burlington we're looking at, and headed towards the Galveston area. And what is there between Burlington and Galveston? Man, that's some rough stuff there. See that one coming down, Carla? On the other side of those trees there, it's worse. I don't think I can get a better picture of it. I'm about getting out of range here. It's on its way to Galveston and Deer Creek area.